This is a gigantic yet isolated plant kingdom that has the largest amount of arbors and shrubs in the world. This is a unique animal world, where 1/10 of wild animals in China live here. This is Shennongjia, the only intact subtropical forest ecosystem in the mid-latitude region of the world, known as Ridge of Central China. Shennongjia is situated in Hubei Province, central China, stretching along the Yangtze River and the Han River. As a transition region between subtropical and temperate climate, Shennongjia is generally warm, humid, rainy, and cloudy. But the altitude difference diversifies its climate. The relative difference in elevation is 2,707 meters from the Shennong Peak at 3,105 meters to the Shizu Valley at 398 meters. The complex terrain and big difference in elevation create three climate zones: low latitude, mid-latitude, and subalpine zones. The unique geographical environment and microclimate make Shennongjia the transition region for plants between North and South China, and a cross-zone where numerous animals live and breed, as well as an example of global biodiversity. Contemporary with dinosaurs, the ginkgo is a living fossil dates back to 67 million years ago in the Tertiary period. It inhabits Shennongjia along with the dove tree. There are more than 3,700 plant species growing in Shennongjia, and 40 species among them are under state protection. There are also more than 1,050 species of wild animals living in Shennongjia, along with national treasure snub-nosed monkey. 70 species among them are under state protection. Within the range of 3,253 kilometers squared around Shennongjia, almost all representative species from Mo in the north, Xishuangbanna in the south, central Japan in the east, and the Himalayas in the west can be found here. The size of Shennongjia is only about 1/5,000th of this area. The subtropical forest ecosystem, also known as the Earth's lung, coexists with the Earth's kidney, the peat moss wetland ecosystem. As one of the world's rare natural wonders, Shennongjia is listed in World Heritage List under natural criteria and a pilot program for national parks in China. Shennongjia is slowly unveiling its real and vibrant charm.